guys, birthday kami sa akong mami. Ato siya interview. Tara! Me, unsa imong na-feel? Unsa imong kasulti sa tanang bisita nimo?
Happy because they had time. I know busy kay sa tanan pero yet niari gyud sila.
Unsa man imong emotion?
Very happy.
Okay. Thank you.
So welcome to my channel, guys. Of course, it's me, your Queen's Network.
Hey guys, welcome back to Queen's Network channel. So I'm here to do the intro for for his vlog. So tonight we're going to attend a birthday party of our dean. Beautiful dean. Yes, English. Kung sa dita Bisaya dita.
All of the above.
Your subscribers are English.
English, Tagalog,
Yeah.
Visayan.
Okay, so we have here our cake from secret. And then we're gonna divide this.
Now just go straight, brother.
For now, I paid
Yes, drop on
the amount, and then
Only
later
here.
on we will just, divide it into
Yes.
4. I'm not sure if others.
Gibson.
Oh my God, she's there.
Ikaw sa Ugbariki.
Ay, okay, wait, how much?
11.
Okay.
Puro ko card ka.
Filipino Institute here in New Salata. We have here our guest of honor. Ay, Mike, uy. Nagbabagang balita. Meron po tayo ditong mga putahe. Uy, edit pa yan na, uy. Okay, so we have here caldereta, bihon. We have also here adobo and, oh my God, rice. We have lasagna, baked mac. I don't know what's inside of it, but there's a lot of cheese and I love it. Oh, and we have the lollipop. Hey, chicken lollipop. We have here a surprised food. So later we will open it. More bihon. Long for long life. English, I'm sorry. Bami. We have also here the most expensive. Of course. LV cake. We are going to ask everyone for their on-the-spot greetings here live in Filipino Institute, New Salata.
Ako ninyo lab ka nang arrange pa ko.
Okay. What about you, ma'am? They have a greeting for the dean? Mamaya na daw ko na sila. Okay, busy ang tanan. What about you, sir? Greetings to you.
Dean, be sexy every day.
Dean, we have a message for you, Dean. Memorize na ko. Let your faith be bigger than your fears. Oy, ako ato ha? Ako ato. My boobs, baby, driving me crazy now.
The most beautiful, handsome trainer of FI. Go! Greetings! Greetings to you. Greetings. Ayaw, lag. Mugo, lag. Oh, man na.
I did wish all the best, and then sa kids, Ate Ahmed, that get together, and God bless you. Happy birthday, Dean, and together with
Sa akong mami is I love you and happy birthday. Miss kagwatag ako og pila ka years. Nagpasalamat po kog dako sa Ginoo na nadala ako nimo mami og ako ang wish is magkuyog na ta forever og magkuyog ra ta sige sa akong birthday og tanan nga blessings maabot nato og may tag makita nimo tanan success nga nakuha nako. Thank you.